Swain heiress? I can't believe she hooked up with some stranger. How shameless of her.
Wasn't today her engagement party with Julian Shank?
Oh, Dad, I don't know him.
I thought your delinquent habits were due to childish behavior. Oh, I wish I'd never given birth to you.
But I don't, I really don't.
There must be some misunderstanding.
Alison, from now on, you are no longer a Swain.
No, but Dad.
Oh.
Get lost!
Dad, no. Dad, please. Please, please, you have to understand.
No, take her away!
Please.
Get her away!
No, Dad.
Take her away!
Please, you have to plead for me, okay? I really don't know why that stranger and
Of course not. Don't you see? I want to destroy everything you have. How could you be so stupid?
What are you talking about?
Alison, today's your big day with Julian. Here's a toast to you.
Thank you, Stella. So it was that glass of wine?
That's right.
We were once best friends. I mean, you risked your life to save me. Why are you doing this? I mean, what about the scar?
You mean this?
Help! Somebody help! Alison!
You mean this? It's fake. It was a trick. I didn't save you. You know the mistakes you made that disappointed your parents? I carefully planned all of them. I wanted them to despise you. You should just die already. Oh, and Alison, be smarter in your next life, okay?
I'm here, I'm right here.
Help! She needs help!
I never thought that it would be you beside me.
Alison, this is all my fault. I thought you would be happy with Julian. I gave up on us. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll save you.
I know that you're the only one who really loved me. Even if there's a next life,
Alison, no! Help! Help!
Alison? Alison?
Just roll over for her now?
Alison, today's your chance to confess to Julian. He's at the basketball court. Let's go.
Water confession. I've been reborn? Reborn to the day that Stella made me confess to Julian, only to be rejected and humiliated. In my past life, I listened to Stella and publicly confessed to Julian by giving him water. Julian, I like you.
You really think a dumb girl like you is qualified to like me?
The maid's daughter confessing in the school's heartthrob? Only an heiress like Stella is worthy of Julian.
Get this through your dumb little head. I like Stella. God, even one look at you makes me sick.
What are you getting from this? Is it real or is it fake? I'm getting no kick from this.
Hey, loser! Don't tell me you're here to bring Julian water.
Don't say that. Everyone deserves the chance to pursue love.
Stella, you're too kind. But you're an heiress. She's just the maid's daughter. Her smarmy face is disgusting.
Don't listen to them, Allison. Go on. Give Julian your water.
In my past life, I let everyone think I was the maid's daughter to protect Stella's pride. Who knew she'd keep playing the heiress for years?
Allison, you know I don't drink that cheap stuff. Get lost.
Her mom is just a housekeeper. She can only afford this cheap stuff. You can tell by her cheap clothes.
You are such an idiot. I mean, do you really think you deserve to be with me? Let me tell you something. If you were the last girl on Earth, I would still never sleep with you. But I don't have time for this loser. Now take your cheap water and get out of my face.
Who said I was giving it to you?
What do you mean?
We all know you like Julian. What's with the playing hard to get at, huh?
Nathan, this water's for you. This water's for you.
Didn't this idiot used to hate Nathan? Why is she ignoring my advice and giving him water?
Wait, am I seeing things? That's Nathan Wynn, the heir to an elite family. He only drinks expensive water, air-shipped from abroad. But she's handing him that cheap bottled shit?
She's done for. He hates random women in his space. Once a girl confessed, and his parents got her kicked out of school overnight.
Hey, Julian. Looks like your little pet switched targets today, huh?
Shut up. You don't know what you're talking about. Right, she's been pinning for me. She's obviously just doing this to get my attention.
So what if you're ignoring Julian? Nathan is your nemesis. Get ready to be humiliated.
Oh no. I'd cut ties with him because of Stella's advice. Now I'm doing this? Will he think I'm crazy?
Am I dreaming? Allison actually brought me water.
Just forget it.
Yeah, didn't say that I didn't want it.
I don't wanna lose you
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Have those eyes always been this charming? How did I not notice this in my past life?
No way! Did Nathan just drink that loser's water?
Nathan, it's just cheap bottled water.
Well, anything Allie gives me, I love it.
In my past life, I was deceived by Stella into thinking that he was just some spoiled playboy. But I never realized he's the only one who loves me.
Turns out the water wasn't even for you. Some people are just so full of themselves. What a joke.
Yo, shut up. There's no way she actually likes him. She's just trying to get my attention.
Nathan must be blind to fall for a maid's daughter.
Don't be mad. She told me that it was for you. She probably just felt shy in front of so many people. Don't blame her. I'll talk to her when I get home. Here, you can have mine.
Thanks, Stella. You're rich, gentle, and kind. That idiot could never compare to you.
Allison's just a bit jealous. You can't hold that against her.
Wait, hold up. Didn't you say that your family and Nathan's family were close friends? I mean, how come he doesn't seem to know who you are?
Yeah, he didn't even look at her. Do you two not know each other? Do you two not know each other?
Nonsense. He often comes to our house. I guess he feels pity for the maid's daughter, so he's taking a little extra care of her.
Before Stella ran me over, she said she wasn't the one who saved me. Then who was it?
Why didn't you tell me you were going to give your water to Nathan? It took me so long to convince Julian to take your water. Did you decide you don't like Julian anymore?
I mean, Nathan's a pretty attractive guy. It's perfectly normal for me to give him water.
That's not what I meant. Didn't you used to dislike him? Besides, he's just a spoiled playboy, unlike Julian.
Yeah, Julian is pretty great, but he seems to like you. So, since he's such a great catch, you can have him, Rusty.
Nathan,
Allison, let's get out of here.
You bitch. You'll pay for this.
Yes, to the rim, to the rim! Yes, and one! And one!
You know I know it's you.
How did you know it was me?
I recognize your perfume.
You're a dog? You've got a sharp nose.
Oh, if you're the master, I'll happily play the bar.
Okay. Let's drop this for now. I really need a favor. Do you think you could tamper with the mics for the concert? They're funded by the Winds, so only you could do this.
Sure.
That was quick. Aren't you afraid I might be trying to do something bad?
I trust you.
Thanks, mate. You're the best.
Well, that's it. Where's my reward?
Well, what do you want?
What if I want you to kiss me?
Well, then close your eyes.
You won't. Your heart is with someone else.
Ugh, this awful food again. I'm so jealous of Stella. You know, her personal chef makes her a fancy lunch every day, and then the maid brings it over.
She's an heiress. How could she possibly eat ordinary food?
Stella, thanks for sharing your food with me every day.
It's nothing. I'm just not used to eating outside food.
What an act. Back then, I thought she saved me, so I treated her well. I had my chef prepare lunch for her to protect her pride. This time, she won't get an inch from me.
What's that look, Allison? Just because Stella ordered lunch for you doesn't make you an heiress, too.
You're just the maid's daughter. You should be grateful you get to try such nice food.
Oh, so should I be grateful to you then?
Maria should be here with lunch any minute.
Ooh, I wonder what kind of delicacy she's bringing today.
Please, enjoy your meal.
Oh my god! That's premium Wagyu steak with caviar! Some people can never get a bite in their lifetime.
You're letting me eat this?
There were not enough ingredients. You'll just have to make do with this.
Let me ask you again, Maria. Are you sure that you're giving them that and letting me eat this?
Don't be angry. I'll eat yours.
Well, Stella, you're too kind, but you're an heiress, and she's just the maid's daughter. She's not even worthy of this. She's sitting with us.
You got that? Either shut up and eat your food, or get the fuck out.
Don't be picky.
Stella, let me ask you again. Are you sure that you want me to eat this? Are you sure that you want me to eat this?
I've had enough. Do not mistake her kindness for weakness. You really expect her to eat this slop? If you're unwilling, I'll feed it to you.
Look at her! She looks like a stray dog that fell into a fucking dumpster.
You had it coming.
Aw, do you have regret now? You deserve it.
I'm not the one who's gonna regret this. Mom, our housekeeper's rebelling.
Are you gonna tattle to your mommy, or are you gonna beg her to let you lick the plate?
Ignore her, Stella. Let's eat.
Miss Allison, please enjoy your meal.
Subscribe for the next episode.